Good morning everyone, I am Rudba Nasir from Group 171A and in this video I will demonstrate about intravenous injection. Intravenous injection is a method of administering concentrated medications directly into the vein. So let us see the whole procedure of giving an intravenous injection.
First of all, perform hand hygiene. To keep hands germ-free, use a sanitizer gel or wash and dry hands thoroughly. Like this. Then gather all the equipments together in a sterile field, like tourniquet, cleaning products like wipes, needle, syringe, and a bottle of saline, a bionectar, and appropriately sized cannula, tubes and adapter if we take blood, dressing, and some cotton wool and tape. Check the medication and clean the bottle with an alcohol wipe. Draw up the flush using the needle and syringe. Prepare the bionectar with a small amount of saline. Remove the air and prepare any bottles by connecting them to adapter. Then prepare the dressing with the date rewritten. After that, gain consent of the patient and choose the appropriate arm. Then tie tourniquet approximately 3 to 5 inches above where the cannula should be inserted. Select appropriate vein. Vein should be as large as straight as possible. Bend the wrist and pull the skin tightly over the knuckle to straighten and anchor the vein. Choose an appropriate entry point. If possible, try to avoid the length of the cannula crossing the joint. Hold the cannula firmly using the index finger and middle finger on the wings and thumb on the back of the cannula to control the needle. Then clean the area of the skin with an alcohol swab. Insert the tip of cannula at an acute angle. Keep the skin tight and anchor the vein. Gently advance the plastic component of cannula. Warn the patient of a sharp scratch of insertion. Then observe the first flashback of blood in the chamber of the cannula. Retain the tension of the skin. Observe the second flashback along the tube as you advance the hub. Release the tourniquet if you don't want to take blood. Then secure the cannula with your hand. Remove the needle completely, placing the sharp spin. When taking blood, occlude the vein with the middle finger and stabilize the cannula with the thumb or index finger. Attach the adapter and blood bottle to take a blood sample, making sure to stabilize the cannula. Aspirate the blood slowly. Release the tourniquet. Then, holding the cannula securely again, occlude the vein. Raise the arm to ensure that there is no blood loss. Then attach the bionectar and flush. Flush gently. Like this. Now secure the cannula using the strips of tape over the wings, making sure you don't obstruct the view of the entry site. And here like this. Place the rest of the dressing over the cannula, making sure that the entry site is visible. Finally, click the end of bionectar so that it is neat and secure. And at last, wash your hands and document the procedure in patient's notes.
So this was all about intravenous injection. Thank you.